Hi, I'm Howe Pearson, teaching artist with young audiences of Louisiana, and this is Art to Heart. Today, I'm going to be sharing some songs that you can play at home using things you can find in the kitchen. So you'll need 2 pots or pans, a wooden spoon, optionally wrapped in a towel, and a shaker. Anything you can find in the kitchen that makes this sound. Bonus points if it smells good. So, now would be a great time to pause this video and gather those instruments, and then we'll get started. Welcome back. All of our songs today start with a steady beat. This is a song I learned from Kofi Dennis. It's a great song for warming up your body and your voice. Steady beat on my knees, steady beat on my knees, 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 knees. And what's this? Steady beat on my chest, steady beat on my chest, 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 chest. What's this? Steady beat on my belly, steady beat on my belly, 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 belly. And after modeling it a few times, you can have your child choose where they want to put the beat next. Maybe somewhere on our face. Our cheeks, you say? Here we go. Steady beat on my cheeks, steady beat on my cheeks. Excuse me. How about our nose? Steady beat on my nose, steady beat on my nose, 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 nose. Now, a nice variation on this game involves your shaker, keeping the steady beat. And now, instead of tapping on your body, we're going to keep the beat in your body. So let's start with our shoulders. Steady beat in my shoulders, steady beat in my shoulders, 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 shoulders. Good. You can roll your shoulders back, get a nice stretch. Awesome. How about our chin? Steady beat in my chin, steady beat in my chin. Use your hand to help. Hard to do those at the same time. Great. How about our eyebrows? Steady beat in my eyebrows, steady beat in my eyebrows, 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 eyebrows. Can you put it in your feet? Steady beat in my feet, steady beat in my feet, 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 feet. Faster? Feet, 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 feet. And let's end it in our hands. Steady beat in my hands, steady beat in my hands, 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 and hands together. Slowly, slowly, Faster. Faster. Show me fingers. And clap. Slowly. Slowly. Faster. Faster. Fingers. Nice job. Thank you. Next, we're going to learn a call and response song with the help of my friends Chicken and Squirrel. Let's play a song that uses call and response. So that means one person sings the call and the other person or group of people sings the response. This is a song called Old Bald Eagle that I learned from a recording of Gene Ritchie. Hello, I'm Chicken. I'm going to sing the call. And I'll sing the response. Thank you, Squirrel. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has come. 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 That's enough, Squirrel. Sorry. Now, I'm going to change the call, but the response stays the same. What? Just keep doing the same thing, Squirrel. Okay. Nod your head up and down, daylight has come. Nod your head up and down, daylight has come. You swing here, I'll swing there, daylight has come. You swing here, I swing there, daylight has come. And now we're jumping up and down, daylight has come. Now we're jumping up and down, daylight has come. And now we're spinning all around, daylight has come. Spinning, spinning all around, daylight has come. Thank you, Chicken and Squirrel. Now you can play that song with a steady beat. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has come. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has come. Or, if you feel like spicing it up, you can also play the bambula rhythm. Bambula, 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 bambula. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has come. 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 Very good. Next, we're going to learn another call and response song from our friends Squirrel and Chicken. For this song, you're going to need 2 pots, and you can play them with your hands, or you can make a mallet with a spoon and a dish towel and a rubber band, so you get a gentle sound. Okay, pots can be big or small. One is for you, one is for your child. And this is a call and response song, so we're going to learn it with my friends Squirrel and Chicken. Hello again. I can sing my song, I can do it too. I can sing my song, I can do it too. I can sing my song, I can do it too. I can sing my song, I can do it too. I can sing it loudly, I can do it too. I can sing it quietly, I can do it too. I can hop up and down, I can do it too. I can hop all around, I can do it too. I can wiggle like this, I can do it too. I can wiggle like this, I can do it too. Oh! I know their voices are kind of the same, right? So, Squirrel can change how they're singing it, and Chicken is listening and empathically responding. Okay? So, Squirrel can sing it fast. I can sing my song, I can do it too. I can sing my song. I can do it too. Or Squirrel can draw out the notes. I can sing my song. I can do it too. I can sing my song. I can do it too. You can also trade parts. Chicken can do the call. Squirrel can be the response. So, now that you've got that song, it's time to play it with the pots. So you'll have one pot, your child will have the other. And the golden rule of drumming is, chicken. If you can say it, you can play it. So, when I say, I can sing my song, I play it too. I can do it too. I can sing my song. I can do it too. So you'll be the call, and then your child will play the response with the spoon or with their hands, okay? We could sing, I can play my drum. I can do it too. I can play my drum. I can do it too. Now, when they've got the melody down, you can play it without singing, just playing. And this is a great way for your child to practice listening and empathy, because if they hear you play it quietly, they should play quietly. Or aloud. Woo! Bonus points if you can keep a steady beat while you play. I can play my drum. I can do it too. I can play my drum. I can do it too. You can also switch parts. So your child can play, and you play. And if they play quietly, take it a little faster. The sound ring out. Now we're going to end by singing Old Bald Eagle again, but this time instead of Daylight Has Come, we're going to sing Daylight Is Gone. And see if you can play along with your pot and or your shaker. Keep that steady beat. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has gone. 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 Now if your child's dancing at home, you can sing, flap your wings up and down, daylight has gone. Flap your wings up and down, daylight has gone. Spin your body all around, daylight has gone. Spin your body all around, daylight has gone. And you can add that bambula rhythm. Bambula, 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 bambula. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has gone. Old bald eagle sail around, daylight has gone. Shake your body all around, daylight has gone. Shake your body all around, daylight has gone. Old bald watching this video. Daylight has come. Thank you for watching, that's my show. Daylight has come. Thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to see more workshops like this, follow us on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. Toodaloo!